Alright people, I'll try to keep this short. I have an Onkyo NR626 and I've had this system for about 10 years now. The problem is that for the last 2 years I haven't turned it on or anything. I guess there was lightning at the house and it fried pretty much a couple of my systems, TV being one of them. I fixed that. It was the main board. It was doing the same thing where I turn it on, it turns on, but then it shuts off. Now on this system, it's even more complicated than the TV, so I'm hoping that I could get some help as to troubleshooting and figuring out where the power is coming from. I'm thinking it might be from one of those relays where it's not, I guess, supplying the power back to the main transformer. So that's what's basically giving the system, I guess, the shut off cue to basically turn back off. If I could get any assistance as to how to pinpoint the powers of this system, if you know the system, and you could tell me pretty much where I can pinpoint, the locations, then I'll go ahead and, really be grateful for that. And I'll try to troubleshoot and keep updating this video. All right. Well, thank you so much for your time.